Wildlife corridors are vital pathways that connect habitats, allowing animals to move freely, find food, and ensure genetic diversity. These natural routes, which can stretch across forests, mountains, grasslands, and rivers, are critical for the survival of countless species. However, human development, such as roads and urban expansion, often isolates populations of animals and limiting access to vital resources. Corridors restore these connections, providing safe passage for species while promoting healthier ecosystems. Let's journey through 5 of the world's most remarkable wildlife corridors and discover the wonders they sustain. Our journey begins in North America with the Yellowstone to Yukon corridor, an ambitious conservation initiative that stretches from Yellowstone National Park in the United States to Canada's Yukon territory. This vast conservation initiative weaves together protected lands, rivers, forests, and mountain ranges, creating a lifeline for iconic species like grizzly bears, wolves, and elk, allowing them to move freely in search of food, mates, and shelter. It's not just the big animals that benefit. Smaller creatures like the alpine-dwelling pika and countless fish, amphibians, and birds also rely on this interconnected network of protected landscapes. From the Rockies, we move to the foothills of the Himalayas, where the Terai Arc Landscape links 14 protected areas across India and Nepal. This incredible network of forests and grasslands spans over 49,500 square kilometers and serves as a lifeline for some of South Asia's most celebrated species on Earth. Bengal tigers, Asian elephants, and Indian rhinoceroses rely on this corridor to move between habitats, ensuring they can find food, mates, and safe shelter. The wetlands and forests of the Terai Arc are a magnet for birds, including globally threatened species like the Sarus crane, the world's tallest flying bird, which gracefully wades through its marshlands. The region is also a critical stopover for migratory birds such as the bar-headed goose, which crosses the Himalayas at altitudes of over 7,000 meters to reach these fertile grounds. Resident species like the great hornbill, known for its striking casque, and the colorful Indian peter, often called the nine-colored bird, add vibrancy to the landscape. Continuing to East Africa, the Serengeti-Mara Ecosystem, spanning Tanzania's Serengeti National Park and Kenya's Masai Mara National Reserve, is one of the most breathtaking natural landscapes on Earth. Covering approximately 30,000 square kilometers, this vast savanna is home to an extraordinary array of wildlife and hosts, one of nature's most dramatic events, the Great Migration. Each year, over 1.5 million wildebeests, accompanied by zebras and gazelles, embark on a circular journey across the plains in search of fresh grazing lands. This epic movement also supports predators like lions, cheetahs, and crocodiles, which lie in wait, making the ecosystem one of the most dynamic and interconnected on the planet. But beyond its iconic mammals, the Serengeti-Mara is a vital haven for birds, with over 500 species gracing its skies and wetlands. Resident species such as the striking gray-crowned crane with its golden headpiece and the vibrant superb starling, known for its iridescent plumage, bring color and life to the savanna. The wetlands attract waterfowl like the saddle-billed stork and sacred ibis, while birds of prey such as the martial eagle and bateleur eagle patrol the skies. From the African savannas, we move to Europe's ancient woodlands, where the Białowieża forest corridor connects habitats in Poland and Belarus. It is one of Europe's last remaining primeval forests and a critical sanctuary for wildlife. This ancient woodland spans over 1,500 square kilometers and serves as a vital link between fragmented habitats in the region. The corridor supports species like the mighty European bison, the continent's heaviest land animal, which roams freely through its lush undergrowth, and the elusive Eurasian lynx, a stealthy predator navigating its dense forests. Wolves, red deer, and wild boars also thrive here. Other iconic residents include the white-tailed eagle, one of Europe's largest birds of prey, and the striking black stork, which nests high in the forest canopy. Migratory birds such as the common crane and the red-breasted flycatcher rely on this forest during their seasonal journeys, adding to its rich avian diversity. In Central America, the Mesoamerican biological corridor, spanning from southern Mexico to Panama, is one of the most ambitious and renowned conservation projects in the world. This vast network of connected forests, mangroves, wetlands, and grasslands stretches across 8 countries, creating a critical pathway for countless species. The corridor serves as a vital link between North and South America, allowing animals like jaguars, tapirs, and scarlet macaws to move freely across landscapes that were once fragmented by human activity. The biodiversity of this corridor is staggering. It is home to iconic species like the quetzal, a vibrant bird revered in Mayan culture, and the harpy eagle, one of the world's largest raptors. Amphibians like the endangered golden toad thrive in its cloud forests, while mangroves along its coasts support nurseries for marine species. Rivers within the corridor serve as migration routes for fish like the tarpon, which travel between freshwater and marine environments. Additionally, migratory birds such as the wood thrush and yellow warbler depend on this corridor as they make their seasonal journeys across the Americas. The Mesoamerican biological corridor not only safeguards wildlife, but also supports the livelihoods of millions of people who depend on its ecosystems for clean water, food, and economic opportunities. Each of these wildlife corridors tells a story of resilience and interconnectedness. If you're inspired by the wonders of these natural highways, like and subscribe for more stories about nature's most incredible survival strategies. Until next time, remember, protecting wildlife corridors means protecting the future of our planet.